Hi, welcome to the weirdest physics class ever. This is Wicket. I'm me. So this is weird. We left off in a weird place on Friday, so I'm not really sure what to do. We finished off section 10.2, and I was planning on going over any homework questions, but I don't know what your homework questions are. So if you want to message me, go to Google Hangouts, let me know if you have any questions. If you have any questions, then I will go over them. We need to talk about a test because we were going to do a test on sections 10. Do you want it down? Okay, Wicket's going to go bye-bye. Just a sec. All right. We were going to do a test on section 10.1 and 10.2. And now everything's kind of in a mess. So what I think we will do is we're going to do a test, but I don't think I'm going to put any theory on it for now, because for theory, I really need to know that you've memorized it and that you know it. For the math, even if you look at a formula or two, that's not the end of the world. I'd rather you didn't, but I'm not there to police you. So I will probably do a math test just on the math portion itself. And we could do that, let's say on Friday. We could do that on Friday. And so tomorrow, which would be Wednesday, I will go over any questions that you had from the homework, and I'll start a review for sections 10.1 and 10.2 in terms of the math. I'm also going to post the PowerPoints because I know at least one or two of you missed one or two of the PowerPoints. They're not long, they're pretty short anyway, but I'm going to post them just to know that you have the notes. But again, no theory is going to be on that test. We will just do the math portion. When we get back, if we ever get back, good grief, but when we get back, we'll do a test on the theory part of it. So we're going to do a test on Friday. So today, for you guys, is Tuesday. So today, all you're going to do is look through your homework, see what your questions are, and let me know. That's all you have to do today. It's an easy day. Let me know what your questions are so I can make a video if I need to on that. If not, I'm going to make a video reviewing some of the math for Wednesday. I'm also going to upload an assignment. It's going to be on chapters 9 and 10. I don't know what the due date is going to be on that yet. I'll figure that out in the next 48 hours. But I will upload that probably today or tomorrow. I will upload that assignment and you can work on that. It's going to be on chapters 9 and chapters 10. Yes, I know we're not done 10 yet, but we will be, so you can at least start it and get partway through. And then if there's no more questions on Thursday, I will start into section 10.3. I will very briefly just talk about the notes, but I will upload all the PowerPoints to you as we get to them, and then we'll do like all the math examples this way on the whiteboard. It's weird, but we'll do it. And I'll give you questions to do. So when we do the test, you've already heard this if you're in Math 11, but if you're in Calculus, you probably haven't heard it yet. It's my little spiel. So what you're going to do is we'll do the test at the specific time the class would be. So for physics, it's from 11 to 12. So at 11 o'clock, you would go into, open up your Google Hangouts, open up your Google Classroom. I'll upload the document to Google Classroom. You can print it off or not, up to you. You'll do the test on Friday. You will have until 12 o'clock to do it. At 12 o'clock, you have to finish, and you will either, and my preferred method is for you to scan it. If you have a scanner that works at home, like my printer will also scan things. because if you scan it, it's going to be a lot easier for me to print off and a lot easier for me to read. If not, take a photo with your phone or whatever device you happen to have, but please make sure that it's legible. Please make sure that you can read it before you send it to me, because I'm going to have to read it. Don't you dare pee on that. Sorry. Wicket. No. Sorry. It's weird. I know. So that's kind of what we're going to do. I'll remind you again, over and over again, about the test and how that's going to work. If you have any questions, Google Hangouts. You can, if you don't want to ask it publicly, you can ask it privately in an email. The reason I like it on Google Hangouts is because everybody can see the questions, so I don't get the same question 10 times. And I can answer everyone at the same time, so I don't have to answer it 10 different times. I will be online from 8:30 to 3 every day. Same as any other time. I'm not going to answer it in the evenings unless I absolutely have to. It's some kind of an emergency. It's not going to be an emergency. Good boy. He laid down. And yeah, so I guess that's it. So for today, Tuesday, really all you have to do is look through, see if you have any questions. Let me know what your questions are. That's it. So have a nice day. See you later.